Okay. So here, just up from Sheep Canyon by Manila, Utah. And the switchbacks go up that hill all the way up to the top. It's paved, nice asphalt road. First pass is done. I don't know if in the GoPro video it'd be hard to see, but there was a cop halfway up. And then it's unbelievably hard to use fourth gear and maintain the speed limit. Anyway, just try and make it as similar to dyno as I can. But the dyno would definitely be nice, especially after riding up there and feeling how the dyno would load it compared to the hill doesn't even load it at all. So to have a dyno be able to load it down and pull the RPMs down would be definitely beneficial. So anyway, just try and mimic it the best I can.